Love is in the air, and your home deserves a little extra magic this Valentine's Day. What if I told you that your mantle could become the most romantic spot in your home with just a few simple touches? Stick around, and I'll show you how to transform it into a Valentine's wonderland that will leave everyone in awe. How can you personalize your Valentine mantle? Your mantle isn't just a decoration, it's a reflection of your unique story. Adding personal touches can make it all the more meaningful. Think about incorporating framed photographs of special moments, handmade crafts like heart garlands, or even a display of love letters or notes. Monogrammed decor items or blocks spelling out words like love or forever can add an intimate charm. These personal touches not only elevate your decor, but also make your space feel truly one of a kind. Got ideas of your own? Share your favorite personal touches in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. How do you tie everything together for a stunning mantle? Bringing your Valentine mantle vision to life is all about creating harmony and balance. A well-designed mantle has a strong focal point, whether it's a striking centerpiece or a bold decor element. Complement this with supporting accents on either side to frame the look. Layering is essential. Place taller items at the back, medium-sized decor in the middle, and smaller accents at the front to create depth. Whether you go for a symmetrical or asymmetrical arrangement, the key is to let each piece complement the others without overpowering the space. Curious about the products I used in this video? Check the description for shopping links and more. How to incorporate seasonal flowers into your mantle decor. Nothing says Valentine's Day quite like fresh flowers. Incorporating them into your mantle instantly adds a touch of romance and elegance. Choose classic blooms like roses, peonies, or carnations, complemented by soft greenery for balance. Display them in creative ways, such as vintage vases, mason jars, or metallic containers for a modern flair. To make your arrangement pop, consider varying the height of your flowers and layering them to create depth and dimension. Don't forget to subscribe for more seasonal decor inspiration delivered straight to your feed. What are some affordable DIY decor ideas? Creating a gorgeous Valentine mantle doesn't mean spending a fortune. With a little creativity, you can achieve amazing results on a budget. Paper crafts are an easy and affordable way to add charm. Think heart-shaped cutouts, banners, or origami flowers. Repurpose items you already have, like mason jars for candle holders or leftover fabric for a chic runner. Nature can also be your ally. Gather twigs, pine cones, or dried flowers to bring a rustic touch to your setup. Want more DIY tips like this? Check the description for links to similar videos. What are the essentials for a Valentine mantle? The key to a stunning Valentine mantle lies in setting the right mood with thoughtfully chosen essentials. Start by selecting a cohesive color palette. Classic shades of red, pink, and white never go wrong, but adding metallic accents like gold or silver can elevate the look. Choose a centerpiece that speaks to the season, such as a heart-shaped wreath, an oversized romantic candle, or even a striking piece of Valentine-themed art. Lighting plays a pivotal role here. Soft fairy lights, candles, or even an LED garland can create a warm, inviting atmosphere that's perfect for the occasion. If this sounds like your vibe, hit that like button and share the love with your friends. What should you avoid in Valentine mantle decorating? While Valentine decor is all about expressing love, there's a fine line between charming and overwhelming. Avoid overcrowding your mantle with too many elements, which can make the space feel cluttered. Stick to a cohesive color scheme to ensure everything ties together seamlessly. Additionally, be cautious with delicate items if you have kids or pets around to prevent accidents. By keeping things balanced and intentional, your mantle will exude effortless style. Want a complete list of do's and don'ts? Check the description for extra tips and tricks. Decorating your Valentine mantle is more than just a project. It's a way to express love and creativity. With the ideas we've explored today, you're ready to create a magical centerpiece for your home that perfectly captures the spirit of Valentine's Day. So grab your favorite decor pieces, unleash your creativity, and turn your mantle into a masterpiece. If you loved this video, don't forget to subscribe and join me for more inspiring decor ideas.